sprinkler. What it is. With as long as everyone's aware of what's going on, boom, jet, keep it moving, and then you could. Nope. Nice. Oiled water from outside. Just don't try. It has like color like this. I'll let it soak. So we're gonna with the plastic. You want to get it wet enough so that the stickers, what it's called. Okay. You know, make a plan. Medium, go like that. Make cups in one area. Plates, go here. See if we can scrub. Let's see if we can get out of this one. Anything sharp, like. Yeah. So I shake it in here. Look. Then I take this trusty old baby. Do it again. The bottle to let go so I don't lose those tops. Let's put these things away. Just put it down there. 2-hour close. Yeah. Now, because this stuff is crazy. We're messing around. Flats. Pick these up because they get greasy on the bottom. So. Yeah, that's ours. Okay. I bought 2 of the racks. I just bought that one then. That's clean as crap out. Start at the bottom. What a blessing, huh? Yeah, we're just gonna keep going. Moving the scrubbing in there. I'm gonna pour some water in it. It should be short 100. That's what I gave your dad today. The edges of the circles in the bottom. This one just a little bit. Got those bad boys and that last. Save it up. No, it has garbage in it. Huh? No, it's. always like to wash the cups first. They're just small bowls. Outside, inside, so that I can but if I'm third pan, 6 pans, it definitely makes a huge. Yay! Alright.
Those are they were closed. Maybe 13. Sorry, I missed your call.
Test it, you know? Like that. Get